Well, this simple storybook for kids has made over $2 lakh passive income. Don't believe me? Come, I'll show you how it generated around $2 lakh in just 1 year. Let me just open calculator. Let's say 22,909 ratings into the price of this book. That is around $11.99. So that is approximately $274,068. Wow, this is really quite a big amount and good amount. Okay, let me open another book. So, it has around 18,000 ratings, and the price of the book is around $11.90. So this made around $214,000. The craziest part is that you can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. In this video, I'll show you how to launch a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, the main content, to high-quality illustrations, and all of that by using Chatgpt, and publish it on Amazon and generate a passive income that makes money while sleeping. So I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible. If you're interested in making passive income, keep watching until the end, because I promise this video will contain really useful and valuable information you'll not find anywhere else.
As you know, to create a good storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. So, I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook related to kids. The first answer was The Magical Adventures of Luna and Leo. I didn't like it. We needed something more exciting. So, I gave it another chance. The Adventures of Little Luna, a magical journey through the enchanted forest. Sounds good, but we can do better. The Adventures of Sammy the Superhero. Okay, that sounds like a very exciting story we can start with. Then, I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story, and it came out that the book is for kids between 6 to 10 years old and is about a young boy who turned into superhero. I really like the idea. Superhero stories are always exciting for kids, so I have decided to take this topic forward. The next step is to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes scenes in detail. Chapter 1, The Discovery. Chapter 2, The First Mission. Chapter 3, The Villain's Plot. Chapter 4, The Showdown. Chapter 5, The Next Adventure. Now that we have generated the story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case The Discovery, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythmic story. Once it's done, read it, and if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answer until you're really happy. Then, I applied the same process to all the chapters, and it only took a few minutes to realize that I had a complete story ready to be converted into a book. This book could generate attractive passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about this process, it's actually crazy how fast we came up with the story idea, wrote all the chapters, and created the story content.
Interesting, but trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So, if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to smash that like button below.
We all know that even if you have the best story idea, it won't be good enough to attract people without illustrations. And here, to make high-quality designs, you could easily pay thousands of dollars from artists to get the job done. But what if I told you that all the images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator for free? Would anyone believe that? You may have heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by typing some words. And this is what I did to finish the first chapter of my story. Let me show you how. When it comes to AI art generators, there are many options available in the market. I've tried a lot of them, and I found that Midjourney provides the best experience, for sure. You can try it for free, using the link below this video description. Once you've joined their Discord server, you can see all recently generated images. There are millions of users, so you'll notice that new images are generated every second. To generate your image, you need to start a prompt first. Type / and then imagine. Once you do that, you can start explaining the image you want to generate. Go back to the story chapters you've generated before and copy the first one. In my case, it was Introduction to Sammy and his love for superheroes. Okay, so now we know the image we want to create. So, again, we type /, then imagine, and then your chapter topic. After the image has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons will appear. As you can see, in the top row, you have U2, U3, and U4. These buttons are for upscaling your chosen image, which means generating a larger version of it. In the bottom row, V1, V2, V3, and V4, these buttons create 4 new variations, similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. So, to recap, if you click on U1, it will upscale the first image. And clicking on V1 will create new variations of the first image. In my case, I like the first image, so I clicked on U1 to make it bigger. To save the image, right-click and then open the link. After that, right-click again and save it to your device. Let's create the second image of the chapter. Sammy discovers the abandoned laboratory. But I want to keep the same style as my first image. So, here's a simple tip. First, copy the image link. Start the prompt and paste the link before explaining the new image. That way, you can maintain the same style. I like the second version, so I clicked on U3 to upscale. Then I did the same to all images. And in about 30 minutes, I had the illustrations ready to use.
Now that we've generated the images, let me show you how to combine the story generated using Chatgpt with the images generated using Midjourney to create a professional-looking storybook. First, head to Canva and search for Storybook. Then click on Create a blank storybook. After that, start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva. Once this is done, we have to select each image from Upload folder to Storybook template as shown in the video. After that, we need to scale all of the images according to the size of the template and add text on top of the images. I will show you how to add text and a title clearly. In this case, scale the image to fit in the template. It's a very simple process, and you can see on the screen how I am doing this. Once this is done, let me add title for my book. Now we have to copy-paste title on top of the image and choose the title style that looks perfect for my book. Let me adjust the title according to my template size. After that, I'll add effects to the title text to make it look even better. In a similar way, we have to do it for all the other content pages. Repeat the entire process to finish the book. And in 2 minutes, we can finish the complete book. Once that is done, we just need to click the Save button and download the book. Congratulations, you've created your very first storybook successfully, and there's only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon. Next step is to upload our book on Amazon. To do that, we have to open Amazon KDP program page or simple search Amazon KDP in Google search. Or else I will even mention the link in the description of this video. So once if we click on that Amazon KDP link, it will redirect us to Amazon Kindle publishing page. So, before going to the actual page, we may have to accept the terms and conditions of the Amazon to be part of the Amazon KDP program. Once that is done, it will redirect us to actual page called Bookshelf where we can upload and publish our book. In this page we can create, manage, publish our books. Before that we have to select our book type, in our case it is ebook. Along with ebook, we can also upload hardcover, paperback and series pages. For now we have to select Kindle ebook. It is taking me to another page. It's a kind of web form, where we need to give all the details about our book, like title, description, series, contributors, language, creator, name of the book, keywords, tags related to book, price, and we have to upload our PDF copy of the book. After filling all the details, we have to submit to Amazon for review, and it will take few hours to review and accept our first book. Congratulations, we are all done to generate passive income even while you are in sleeping. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.